Good afternoon, Bat World. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection, doing a quick daylight walk-around video on our 2019 Aston Martin Vantage. This car is jet black and very difficult, even in daylight circumstances, to photograph or film. Your eyeballs in real life can see the car a lot better, but we just have a tough time getting it to photograph well at all because it is so dark. It just sucks up all light. But hopefully this gives you a little bit better idea of how striking the car is and how wonderful the lines are, even in black like this. And it is black on black interior as well, with deep tinted glass. So you're looking at quite a sinister car. It is broken up a bit by the taillights and by the wheels with a two-tone look, so it's not completely void of color, but there's not much there. If you want to feel like James Bond every time you go somewhere, you will definitely feel like that in this car. It is an amazing car to drive. This is the first one that I've had the pleasure of using and driving, and I cannot get over the car. I have love for this car that may someday include me owning one now, and I would not have said that before my time with this. It is just a car that handles and drives so well, not to mention the power is fantastic. We at Avant-Garde, as you may know, spend a lot of time in the 911 world, and we drive all kinds of 911s all the time, and I'm pretty snobby when it comes to Porsche, but this car has definitely changed my mind to Aston Martin. It is a fabulous car. So enough of that. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. We expect this car to sell. The consigner has been gracious enough to lower the reserve a bit. We have a strong feeling it will meet that reserve this time. So have no fear. This is one that we think is going to sell. So please bid with confidence. Someone is going to get a fantastic driving car. Thanks again.